Hey awesome aspiring coders, ever wonder how your favorite games, apps, and even super smart robots are made? Well, today we're going to peek behind the curtain and discover the secret ingredient, a super cool language called Python. And guess what? It's fun, it's easy, and you can start learning it today. Python is like a magical spellbook for computers. With just a few simple spells, what we call code, you can tell your computer to do all sorts of amazing things. From building your own mini-games to helping scientists with big projects, Python is used everywhere. You just write down, say hello. But in Python, we'd use print hello, see, pretty clear, right? Or what if you want to make a character bark like a dog 5 times? Imagine you have a tiny digital turtle and you can tell it to move forward, turn, or change colors. You can draw amazing shapes, spirals, and even your own cartoon characters just by giving the turtle instructions. It's like digital art with code instead of typing Woof. 5 separate times, you can tell Python, repeat 5 times, say Woof. Python loves to do repetitive tasks for us, so we don't have to, and the best part, it uses words that are almost like everyday English, which makes it super friendly for beginners, especially kids. If your code doesn't work the first time, that's totally normal. Think of it as a puzzle to solve. The best way to learn is by trying things out. Change numbers, switch words, see what happens. You can't break your computer by coding. One of the coolest ways to start is with something called turtle graphics. And once you get comfortable, you can build simple games. You can help each other, share ideas, and even create projects together. How about a guess the number game where the computer picks a secret number and you try to guess it? Python can help you make it happen, giving you hints like to hide. Or too low, they make it feel like you're playing a game, not just learning. There are tons of amazing, kid-friendly resources out there. Practical tips, ready to dive in? Here are some quick tips to make your Python journey super fun. Many books make learning Python super engaging with fun projects and colorful illustrations. Ask your parents to check out titles like Python for Kids or Hello Python. Look for online Python playgrounds where you can type code and see what happens right away without needing to download anything. They're perfect for quick experiments. Start small. Don't try to build a huge video game on your first day. So, what are you waiting for? Start your Python adventure today. Begin with little projects, like making your computer say your name or drawing a square with the turtle. Just like this video, there are tons of channels that teach Python in a fun, easy-to-understand way. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Even expert coders make mistakes. It's how we learn. Happy coding, everyone. Play and experiment, find a friend. Coding is even more fun with a buddy. Awesome resources. Now, where can you go to start your coding adventure? Online learning platforms. Websites like Code.org, Tinker, and Code Academy have interactive lessons and games specifically designed for kids to learn Python. Interactive environments, books and activity kits, YouTube tutorials, coding clubs or camps. If you want to learn with other kids and get help from an expert, check if there are any coding clubs or camps near you. Learning to code with Python is like gaining a superpower. It helps you think creatively, solve problems, and even build your own digital worlds. If you had fun learning about Python, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome tech adventures.